Welcome back to AquaCure instructional videos. Today, we will be focusing on cleaning the AquaCure Tower Cap. If you have a union base on your tower cap, remove the tower by releasing the coupler. Do not remove the base from the electrolyzer. Tower caps without a union can be removed without special instructions. Use hot water either from the tap or kettle. Optimal temperature between 120 and 140 Fahrenheit. Put the tower under the tap and fill until it is about half full. Place your thumb over the humidifier connector to prevent water from coming out. Covering the bottom with your hand, shake the tower for about 10 seconds. Then dump the water. Complete this at least twice. You can draw the water from the tap or put water in a glass. Fill the syringe received with your machine with the hot water. Flush the water through the duckbill. Complete this at least twice. Once you are finished flushing the duckbill with the hot water, check your duckbill. Insert the end of an empty syringe into the duckbill. Make a seal and gently pull back. If the syringe does not pull any air into the chamber, your duckbill is functioning as it should. Store your syringe with the plunger partially out, leaving space at the end. This prevents damage to the rubber. A minute of maintenance prevents backfilling issues.